Okay, so this is walking out from the kitchen, and we have this amount of space between, how many feet this is, like 10 or 12 feet to the edge, which is there. And then going that way, it's really pretty long. I'll just close the door so mosquitoes don't get in. And then we go down here, still looking over that area. Connecticut's across the way, behind the beach. And then we come to this area, which was going to be my yoga, outdoor yoga space, but it's not done yet, this whole area. My husband's got to finish the hot tub. He's got to finish this, which we're still under construction with, as you can see. And then over there, we have to finish that walkway, which is all weeds, because I haven't been home. And then I have down there, which is another section with weeds again, and the little garden, and then we're closing off the steps that go all the way up top. My husband said he doesn't want anybody going all the way up top. I see an animal doing something up there. Let's see if I can zoom in on it and show you. See something. So, yeah, we've got plenty of space. I'm just looking at that animal. It looks like a big rabbit. Hang on. Plenty of space here. I don't have much furniture now because it all got blown away in the winter. No, I'm just kidding. We don't use a lot of furniture. And then, you know, I have this area there. And again, that's the beach. And so towards this time of day, it's pretty sunny. We used to have an awning thing up there hanging. Maybe I can get another one of those. But we can also be over here in the shade. So you can be in the shade here and painting that view. Hope that makes sense. And those are the pots that I planted the flowers in. I'm hoping will bloom. We also have my awesome Pegasus, and then the roses. Again, nobody trimmed them because I gotta do everything, but these may be in bloom beautifully when you come again because they keep blooming. And then I have these that the bees love, but you can't really see them in the video. And that's the house, at least the back part of it.